Dell ChromeBook 11, Intel Celeron 2955U. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. These Dell ChromeBooks are really nice. We got them for our boys ages 13 and 11 for Christmas. They use them for homework and playing games. It's one game that they really play that they can't play on this Chromebook because it doesn't have Windows. Roblox is the name of the game, I think. About 2 months after getting the books we noticed that they wouldn't charge and they could only use them if they were plugged in. We contacted the company and sent them back, and 2 weeks later they sent them out new books. These are working great. Turns out the both of the books had bad battery packs. Customer service was great and I would definitely buy from them again. It came very well packaged for shipping. It has no major scratches or dings. The screen is fine, it was properly reset so it was ready for a new setup. The keyboard is fine. It works really well. It's a perfect size to fit in the backpack I have on my wheelchair. I also bought an Amazon Basics 13 inches sleeve for it and it fits perfectly. This was a good buy, I'm glad I bought it. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.